I do, I separate the white onions from the leaves. So now I just have to drop my white onion. I separate the white onions from the leaves. Now I just go ahead and cut the white onions leaves. So tiny, eh? I cut it really tiny. Cut it so tiny. So I'll just continue the same process until I have what I want. Okay. So I had the others. So I'm going to repeat the same process till all my white and my leaves onions have get cut. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my humble ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Mama Golden Channel. Yeah, my people, today I just want to prepare a very simple food. So I'm making white onions, vegetable, and the leaves. So let me just introduce the ingredient that I'm using. So here I have my ishaki and the fresh sharp. So here I have my red and the green pepper. So here I have my 1 seed of paprika. Here I have my 3 seed of plantain. In here I have my ginger and the garlic. And here is the master of the day. This is the white onions and the leaves. So I just cut it. So in case you are wondering what is it, this is just, so there is the picture. So in the beginning you will see the picture. So this is the white onions and the leaves. So I'm just going to prepare this with plantain, so the both mash together. So if you haven't give a try, just try it. Here we go. So I'm going to, I have my preheat pan on the fire. So I'm just going to add my onions, and here I have my salt and vegetable oil and 1 Maggi cube. So here is my 1 Maggi cube. This is the ginger and garlic. Stir. The red and the blue pepper. Yeah, add my paprika, and I'll add my 1 Maggi cube, and some salt to give it taste. I will be adding a little black pepper. I'll be adding some little black pepper. So now we add my sharp and the ishaki. So my ishaki have already been cooked. See, I just cut it in a very little size, so the way you can just be eating it with your plantain, you know, looks so simple. Then I stir everything together. So I'm not adding any water, and my white onions leaf will be the last thing to add into my pot. So now that the meat is good cooked, so I'll just go ahead and add the onions leaf and I cover. I'll just go ahead and stir a little. Then I'll just cover for 5 minutes. Yeah, my white onions and the leaves is ready to go with plantain. It's not only plantain, this can go with rice, can go with yam, can go with a lot of things, even with pat, you know, and rice. So I love cooking my plantain with the back, so that the vitamin, then I just cover. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, my plantain is good cooked. You see, it's opened alone. Yeah. Yeah, so this is my plantain and onions fresh leaf is ready to go. So thank you very much for watching. Please, if you love what you see, subscribe to Mama Goldie channel. God bless you and see you in my next video. Bye bye.